Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to delete Apple Maps data on iPhone. First, open the Maps app, tap your profile icon, and go to Offline Maps. If you see any saved maps, tap 1, tap Delete, then confirm with OK. Want to clear even more? Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and tap Maps. Here you'll see two options. Offload app removes the app but keeps data. Delete app removes both app and data completely. Tap delete app if you want a full reset. Want it back? Just reinstall Maps from the App Store for a clean start. And that's it. That's how to delete Apple Maps data on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.